Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be another cleaning video, but instead of this being like an all-day clean with me type of video, this is more of an all-week clean with me. I just recorded a bunch of random cleaning that I did throughout the week, such as cleaning the microwave and the stovetop, which you're seeing me do right now. I have just accepted the fact that I can't do a whole cleaning video in one day right now. With 3 kids, one of them being 3 months old, I can really only do 1, maybe 2 things a day, and sometimes I get no housework done at all. So I hope you guys don't mind this kind of cleaning video, just clips of some of the stuff I did throughout the week. If you do enjoy it, I'd love for you to give the video a thumbs up, and also for you to subscribe if you are new. And now on to the video.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in
I also decided to stop putting the towel on the stovetop. I kept forgetting to pull the knobs off, and the fire risk was scaring me, especially having an almost 3-year-old. You never know what they're gonna do.
It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. brakes and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
In this clip, I had already pulled the sheets off and rotated our mattress, but I didn't record it, so this is just me putting clean sheets on and setting it up for bedtime.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, I'm taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be.
Then I needed to put a ton of stuff away that had accumulated from me just bringing stuff up and leaving it there to do it later. I started a new rule for myself though, that if I bring something up to the room, I have to put it away right away, or else it just sits there for weeks until I finally make time to do it.
Turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming.
This is just some late night kitchen cleaning after the kids had gone to bed. Just sweeping the floor, doing the dishwasher, wiping down the counter, and then cleaning the kitchen sink. I will be honest though, I don't clean the sink every night anymore, or even wipe all the counters every night, because life with a baby is exhausting and sometimes I'm just too tired. I do make sure to do the dishwasher 99% of the time, unless there's only a few dishes, and then I won't bother with it.
Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
I hope you all enjoyed this. If you haven't seen my previous cleaning videos, I will leave a couple off to the side over here for you to check out too if you want. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Ain't